Have you ever wondered what secrets Iran, the country often depicted in the media, holds? Picture a land of surprises, untouched by the waves of mass tourism. Imagine a place where history whispers from every corner, where landscapes fluctuate from towering snow-capped mountains to sun-kissed sandy beaches. Iran is a country that dances to its own tune, a tune that is as diverse as it is enchanting. So, are you ready for an adventure into the heart of Iran? Imagine walking through time, witnessing the rise and fall of empires. This is the journey that awaits you in Iran, a land steeped in rich history that dates back to the ancient Persian Empire. Here, every corner whispers tales of grandeur and glory, of kings and queens, of battles fought and won. From the reign of Cyrus the Great to the flourishing of the arts and sciences during the Islamic Golden Age, Iran's past is a fascinating tapestry of unforgettable chapters that have shaped the course of human civilization. This rich heritage is etched into the country's architectural marvels, from the epic ruins of Persepolis to the intricate tilework of the Sheikh Lutfollah Mosque, each a UNESCO World Heritage Site bearing testament to Iran's vibrant past. You'll find stories etched in stone and tales woven in the very fabric of this nation. Indeed, Iran is a treasure trove of history waiting to be explored. What if I told you that Iran is a mosaic of cultures, each more fascinating than the last? In this vast land, the richness of diversity is striking. Iran, home to a multi-ethnic society, boasts a vibrant tapestry of cultures and traditions. From the nomadic Qashqai tribes of the south to the Turkmen horsemen of the north, each group contributes its own unique thread to the cultural fabric of Iran. And it's not just about the people. This cultural diversity is reflected in the country's cuisine, music, literature, and art. Whether it's the hearty stews of Gilan, the rhythmic beats of Kurdish music, or the eloquent verses of Persian poetry, each element tells a story of Iran's rich cultural heritage. Iranian art, too, mirrors this diversity. From the intricate designs of Persian carpets to the grandeur of Isfahan's architecture, each piece is a testament to the country's artistic prowess. Iran's diversity is its strength, making it a fascinating destination for cultural exploration. Did you know that Iran is home to a myriad of natural wonders? This vibrant country is a true paradise for nature lovers, boasting a diverse range of landscapes that are as varied as they are stunning. Venture north, and you'll find yourself immersed in lush, verdant forests. These emerald green expanses, fresh with the scent of pine and filled with the melodic hum of wildlife, are a true haven for those seeking tranquility and respite from the bustle of city life. Now imagine moving from the cool shade of the forests to the warmth and vastness of Iran's southern deserts. These arid expanses, with their golden sands and towering dunes, paint a picture of stark, unadorned beauty. It's a stark contrast to the greenery of the north, but equally captivating. And then there are Iran's 4 distinct seasons. From the fresh bloom of spring, when the whole country seems to be awash in a palette of vibrant colors, to the serene beauty of winter, when everything is blanketed in a pristine layer of snow. Each season brings with it a unique charm. For the adventurous, Iran offers a host of outdoor activities. Take a hike up the rugged mountains, ski down the snow-clad slopes, or spot exotic wildlife in its natural habitat. There's something for everyone. Iran's natural beauty is a testament to its unique geographical location and diverse climate. This land, with its contrasting landscapes and seasons, is a treasure trove waiting to be discovered. So, what's the real story of Iran, you may ask? We've journeyed through the unknown, delved into the rich history, immersed ourselves in the diverse culture, and marveled at the stunning natural beauty of this incredible country. Iran is a treasure chest overflowing with surprises. Every corner of Iran whispers tales from a glorious past, each filled with chapters of powerful empires, dramatic battles, and iconic leaders. Its culture is a beautiful tapestry woven with threads of various ethnicities, languages, and traditions, all coexisting harmoniously, creating a vibrant and colorful society. The natural beauty of Iran is simply breathtaking. From the snow-capped peaks of Damavand to the sun-kissed dunes of Dashti Lut, the country's landscapes are nothing short of a masterpiece painted by Mother Nature herself. Iran, a country often misunderstood, is truly an amazing destination waiting to be discovered. It's time to look beyond the headlines and see Iran for what it truly is. Unbelievable.